Hey everybody, Alex here. Welcome to another edition of Momentum Charting. Today we are going to be giving an update on Amazon. And if you could, for me, do me a big favor, go ahead and subscribe, hit that bell notification, like the video. It lets YouTube know that you like the content and also gives other people a chance to see these videos as well. So, getting into Amazon here, everything just looking absolutely fantastic. We've had this range that we've been in since a high in September 2020 and just broke out the other day here in, let's see, you had the breakout July 6th and then the follow through over the next couple days. So this is looking really nice in here, and this is one of the classic patterns, one of my favorite things to do as far as trading is just waiting and waiting, just ignoring all of this price action in Amazon until we get the breakout, which we have gotten. And this is a great illustration here of what I do like to see when we get a breakout in a stock on the daily time frame, which is we have a very nice diagonal trend line structure to follow up on the breakout and see where it takes us. So the breakout point would have been here, some entry somewhere in here, and at this point you're setting your stop basically at this trend line, right? This diagonal trend line here, and just kind of patiently waiting and seeing if this is a real breakout or sometimes these things, when they break out after these really long consolidations, like a year, they just go, right? There's no stopping them and they just go. The other thing that could potentially happen is come back down to our breakout trend line retest and then go. And then, of course, the last thing that could happen is a failure of this nice diagonal daily trend line. And in that case, you want to get out and then just watch and see what happens with the price action of the stock. But as of now, Amazon just looking extremely strong. Let's dig in here to the 1 hour time frame, see if we can see anything interesting. No, this is looking just perfect. The daily and hour structure are exactly the same. So this is really the trend line that we need to be watching right here. Amazon is, like I always say, if you are willing to listen, stocks speak to you. Amazon is speaking to me right now. It's telling me it's broken out and you need to be patient with this thing and only exit if and when this diagonal trend line that's set up in Amazon breaks to the downside. We are not anywhere close to such an event right now, so we're going to go ahead and be patient in Amazon and just wait to see where exactly this takes us to the upside. Additionally, with the strength in the Qs, the SPY right now, no reason to believe Amazon isn't going to see accelerated price action over the coming months. So let's quickly go over to let's see here. I want to take a look at this momentum. Yeah, this is good. You can see here, this is the zero line. Momentum in Amazon just very strong right now in these elevated ranges, up over 100. I see nothing really bad at all whatsoever. The only possible thing that I see really here on Amazon is some good things happening, right? Say, for instance, this sort of support holds here at about 130 and break this diagonal downtrend line of resistance. I expect an acceleration of price in Amazon at that point, or like happened here between June 18th and July 1st, we got the breakout here. You want to see what happened with Amazon prices at that point, right about here. That was at about 34.96 and just shot up to 3,700 plus. So either one of those scenarios are really good. The only kind of trendline support that to me that would be any sort of worry on Amazon would be, yeah, of course, breaking of this trend line, but I'm just not seeing anything like that developing right now, or a breakdown of this support at around negative 38 on the 15-minute time frame, and that doesn't look like it's in the cards either. The other thing, like I was saying, is we could have some sort of a nice reset of Amazon and develop, you know, some sort of a sideways channel over the coming weeks, and then hit this trend line and then start working up. That would kind of fit nicely in with a reset of momentum down to these areas here, and then just taking off to the upside again. But again, price action doesn't necessarily need to happen. I'm watching this momentum to see if we clear this momentum line here and prices start accelerating here, and if we somehow, like on a 1 hour time frame, if we somehow set an accelerated trend line here, for instance, and prices hit this line and start taking off here, which can happen. So we'll just have to watch that, but you know, to me, there's no real wrong way to play Amazon right now. It just looks really strong, no matter kind of what you're trying to do here, and I see no reason for a lack of push to the upside prices on Amazon over the coming days and weeks. Everything's still looking very, very strong to me. So it's kind of wait and see. Again, one of my favorite patterns here on Amazon on the daily time frame, the breakout of the very, very long-term trend line resistance, overhead resistance, solid breakout. So we just kind of need to wait and be patient here, see if this is a real breakout, and see where the top in Amazon lands and when. Who knows? So we'll have to watch. That's it for now on Amazon, guys. Enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed it as well. Again, please subscribe if you like the content, and I will see you again shortly in the next update video. Thanks, and bye for now.